Hello again, welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, a quick look at pronunciation. Have a look at these 4 words. Which one is different? And why? Well, first of all, they all start with the letter F, the th sound. So that can't be the reason. Say each word out loud and see what you think. Think pronunciation, the sound of the word. Any ideas? The odd one out is the first word, fern, a kind of grass, a plant in the garden, a fern. The other 3 words are for, the number 4, fort, short for fortress, think John Wayne, think Davy Crockett and the Alamo, fort. And the last one, fawn, a baby deer, an animal that jumps around in the forest. Think Bambi. So there we are, 4 words. Fern is the odd one out. Fern, for, fort, fawn. English pronunciation, the sound and the sound. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.